Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nana Kwadwo. I'm right here at the Kantanka assembling plant. Today I'm going to walk you through the building of Kantanka Boafo. Yes, the building of Kantanka Boafo. I don't want to waste so much time. If this is your very first time chance for my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell, get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kwadwo Studios. Do not go away. I want you to stick and stay. Like this video and share for the algorithm to push it more for others to see. Please do not go away. I'm going to walk you through the building. You're going to appreciate it. But I'm not going to be doing this alone. I'm going to be joined by one gentleman. He's going to walk us through everything. When he comes here, he's going to introduce himself. From there, you're going to appreciate what we do right here in Ghana. Most of you were doubting. Kantanka, you import your vehicles from China. You import your vehicle from other countries. I want to let you know that that is absolutely false. It is a falsified information out there. Okay, so stick and stay, subscribe, like, comment, and share for this, share for everybody to get hold of this video. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, what?
Hi. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Kwadwo Studios.
Thank you.
Okay. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, I am Nyansa Kantanka.
Nyansa Kantanka.
Yes, I work with the mechanic team at Kantanka Automotive.
Oh, okay. So today we want to appreciate the efforts, the work that Kantanka Automobile is doing. Okay. So we want to walk me through the building of Kantanka Boafo. Walk me through.
Okay. So as we all know, Kantanka Boafo is more like what we call on our street the Kantanka Abubuya.
Okay.
But this is slightly different because it comes with 4 tires instead of the regular Abubuya that comes with 1 tire at the front and then
2 tires. Okay.
This one is more like the scooter or jungle bike you use at the beach.
Oh, okay. The quad bike.
The quad bikes.
Okay.
But it works just like the Abubuya we see now. Except ours is more durable because as Kantanka, it always takes into consideration the durability, the nature of our roads, and then its performances, and then inculcate that into its technology. So
okay.
that is what informed the decision to come up with Kantanka Boafo. So behind me, you see the chassis, what usually we call the frame.
Oh, okay.
So this is what the welding line does. In our department or in the Kantanka Automobile setup, we have basic departments. Okay. So from the welding line, they are in control of molding these metal frames to give us the skeleton, basically, of the entire Kantanka Boafo outlook. So after performing the welding and then fabrication like this, that's when it goes to the next stage where mechanics also come in with their axles and then their technical stuff. So as well as it is, we'll move to the mechanical department where you can see how they're assembling and all that.
Oh, okay. So what I'm seeing over here is something that is being done by our own people, Ghanaians.
Exactly.
Wow. I really wish at the time that they were welding this particular part, I was here, but it is rather unfortunate. But it is what it is. Move me to the next part and let me see. Okay.
So right from the chassis, we move to the first stage where you see a group of men assembling the mechanical parts of the product. Oh, okay. So we have 2 different teams, right? Those working from behind and those working from up front. So behind you have here our back axle, our leaf springs, and then our suspensions.
Wait, do you have here what? You said back what?
Our back axle.
Okay, and what does the axle do?
This is the drive, the main drive.
Okay.
From behind. Yes. We normally have the front and then the back. So since we are talking about the back axle, since we are talking about those from the back, we will start with our back axle. That is the back drive of it.
Okay.
So this is what you see here.
So this is where we have the back ties.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And you said what is the name of this one?
This is the leaf spring.
Leaf spring.
Yes.
And what does it do?
It works just like the absorber.
Okay.
Except this one is at the back. And leaf springs are more durable and more complex because this is the part that is going to actually carry the load of the car.
Ooh.
This is the normal absorber system. We use the leaf spring. So if you compare this to heavy duty trucks, they all have this type of absorbers.
Okay.
It's called the leaf spring because this one can absorb more weight than the regular absorber system.
Fantastic.
That's what we are using.
Okay, let's move forward.
So as every vehicle or every movable vehicle or machine this is where we put our fuel.
Okay.
So this is the fuel tank. That's the pump, fuel pump. Yes, unlike regular ones that are inside the fuel tank, this one is outside.
Okay.
So after assembling everything, the electrical guys will also come aid their connections to the engine. This we have here is our hydraulic motor. This type of vehicle machine, unlike the regular Abubuya you see in town, can load and unload any other product you have in the back by itself.
So this one can actually offload maybe assuming you have sand inside the buckets of
any load you have in the bucket.
Okay.
This machinery can actually offload itself. So this is the motor that actually drives abnormal. It hasn't been fixed yet. So very soon the team will come and then install that one here. And that's the drive for it.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
This is also your arm brake. That's the other.
Please, I would want you to move forward. Come this side for me. This is what?
The hand brake.
Okay. The hand brake.
We have the hand brake and we have the foot brake.
Hand brake and foot brake.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you can't always rely on the hand brake. Okay. Sometimes when you are parking, that's when the hand brake comes to work. But once you are moving, we have to be stopping and moving. Like probably you are in the traffic. You can't just rely on dragging your hands in and out. That foot brake that helps you apply that brake system now to actually halt you before you want to move on.
That is great. Okay, so tell me about this part.
Okay, so this place is a bit complex, unlike the back. We still have the absorbing mechanism here, which is the front absorber.
Okay.
So this one works just like the leaf spring you see at
so
the back.
assuming someone is watching us, a layman is watching us. Okay. What is an absorber in the first place, and how does it help the Kantanka Boafo?
Okay. So an absorber is actually, as the name goes, it's a device that actually helps you not fill the entire, let's say, ditch, or fill the entire stress that the impact the tires have in the pothole.
Okay.
So once the tires hit the pothole, the absorber that carries some of the weight, instead of you feeling it in your hands or in your body, the absorber will actually absorb the tension or the pressure.
So if I understand, this is even a safety feature.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Okay.
So because of the state of the load of the driver here, who is going to carry, so we don't use so much heavy weighted absorber.
Okay.
But one that can actually absorb the pressure from the engine, the front suspensions. That's all you need. That's how we do it.
Oh, okay. That is fantastic.
So when you come, another safety thing that helps with the absorber in this work is the arms. We have here the upper arm.
Okay.
We have here the upper arm, and we have the lower arm. They both help the suspension system work. It's a complete sector. Like the suspension. When we talk about suspension, it's comprised of arms and then absorbers. So with the arms, some of our machineries have just one type of arm. But Kantanka, for the durability of this car or this machine, uses two arms: the upper arm and then the lower arm, coupled with the absorber we have. So when you see the connection here, they are all connected together.
Okay.
So once there's an impact, these are all going to help the absorber work better and the driver will feel less.
I see. Wow. And Kantanka is actually thinking of the Ghanaian populace and doing all this thing for us. Okay, so when we are done with this whole thing, I understand, before we even move to the next part, I understand that this vehicle is a 4x4. That is what we know. Can you really tell me much about this, and why did you opt that this vehicle should be a 4x4 vehicle?
So basically, you see, the regular we have now are not for bush purposes.
Okay.
When I say bush purpose, you know, in our local setup, most people carry their goods and services or goods from the hinterlands. Okay? But the regular we have now cannot work deeper into the bushes. Especially when there's rain and the road network become very muddy and all that. You need a machine like this that can drive you to every corner. You know, the purpose of 4x4 is to actually assist the drive shaft to perform even when they are stuck in the mud.
Okay.
That's what the 4x4 is used. But when you are driving on a regular street, you don't need to engage the 4x4. It's just a tool that is used. So either the rear axle or the front axle is used. But once you are stuck, you engage the 4x4 and all four tires can move at the same time. So the front tires are the ones stuck. The rear tires rather propel.
With regarding what you are saying, I mean, what kind of tire are we using for this particular Abubuya?
So with this type of Abubuya, I think I choose a very rough pattern tires.
Okay.
Rough pattern tire. You have the smaller size in the front and the bigger drives.
Okay.
You can see some of them. You can get closer.
Sure. Guys, that is exactly what you are seeing on the screen. Yeah. Okay.
So these ones are very robust when it comes to mud or very dusty or very rough period. So imagine if this car can perform on a very muddy and rough road, how much more on a very first class?
On a first class, on a very smooth road. That would be very, very good. Okay, so from this session, what else do you do?
Okay, so
but before then, sorry, what engine do you use for this particular? Oh, that will be the next thing. Okay, kindly take me to that side, please.
So yes. So once these sides are fixed, you can see how robust they look.
Woo! Guys, come and check the tie. Come and check it. Just check the tie. You can tell this is very, very strong. I mean, you can tell this is very, very strong. Yeah.
Once the tires are fixed, you also fix our brake systems. That's what you have. You see the caliper? It has a brake in there.
Oh, okay.
So this is a work of you have and the brake systems we have here are demarcated with so many forms. You have the one with the hand brakes, just like you have with regular motorbikes.
Okay.
You have the foot brake. That's this one.
Come and see, let them see the foot brake.
That's the foot brake. That's this one. So once you exert pressure, it halts wherever you want it to halt.
Okay.
And then we also have the hand brake like you get in the other one.
Sure. Okay. Now I want to tell me more about this engine.
Okay.
What is the engine capacity of the Kantanka Boafo?
We'll go deep into the engine when we go to the engine compartment. You see there's one single one. I want to take that one to explain to you.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so this is your regular engine. After assembling it here, connection from the fuel tank coming into the carburetor. This is the carburetor we rented.
Come this side. This is what?
The carburetor.
Carburetor.
Yes. That one will take the fuel and does the before the drive can be made for it to move.
Oh, okay.
What you see here is also the water tank. Not the regular water tank in the on the front wheel of the car, but the reservoir, more or less. Yes. Okay. That's a cooling agent for the engine.
So this is a coolant?
Coolant.
Okay.
The engine you have here. So there's a connection for the inlet, the outlet, and then the return as well.
And all this is being done right here in Ghana. Fantastic.
This is the water tank I was talking about earlier. The main water tank.
Oh, okay.
The fan. So it reduces overheating.
Or the vehicles in use. Yes, that's something that's. So this is the hydraulic I was talking about. This the operator of the vehicle offload the
so, yes, there's a shaft here that will be coming out like the way regular absorber.
Okay.
So it comes out and it moves the bucket as it offloads whatever goods you have in there.
Fantastic.
So this is another stage of the assembly lines.
Oh, okay.
Before the electrical guys assemble everything they have to.
I see. Now, you said you want to tell me about the engine part before we look at the whole vehicle. Yes, take me to that side.
So this is a 4-stroke single cylinder water cooled 350cc engine. Manual clutch, that is 5 forward, 1 reverse.
Oh, okay.
So we have 5 speed and a 1 reverse, making it a 6-speed engine. So with a drive shaft and 4-wheel drive, like you explained earlier, 4x4.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So are you saying that this is far better? This is far better than the normal tricycles and the other abubuyas that we see.
Yes, this was actually built to carry a lot of load, like its durability, the suspensions and all. So by far, it is better than the regular ones you see on the market. Yes.
And does it consume a lot of fuel?
Not at all. It is very economical for the average Ghanaian to patronize.
Wow.
So when you watch this one, when you say 350cc, it tells you about the capacity of the fuel and then its dispensation levels.
Wow.
You understand? So it is very low and very affordable, economical.
I see.
So that's what we have. It is electric start, gasoline, water cooling. So it is basically the standard engine you can ever find for these type of machineries.
Okay. Yeah. So we are not going to talk much. I'm going to ask him my last 2 or 3 questions. Then we are done with this particular video. Okay. So let me ask you this question.
Okay.
Now, tell me, just give me a very solid reason why someone should choose Kantanka Boafo. But before then, I think we should stand beside the vehicle for people to actually see, the vehicle. So this is the full assembled vehicle.
Exactly.
Wow. Guys, so this is Kantanka Boafo, exactly what you are seeing. Kantanka Boafo. Okay, so tell me, why should someone choose this over any other tricycle or any other quad cycle that we know of? Kindly stand aside for me.
So basically, let's say in Africa, in our part of the world, most people buy products based on its durability and its finishing. Let's start with the finishing. Okay. You can't compare any other abubuya on the streets to this look. It's sleek, it's robust, it looks like any other strong machinery you ever find on our street that is performing the same duties as the regular abubuya. So I call the street one abubuya, and this one being robust, call it abubuya. Because basically those ones, if women are built to look sleek and all that, you can have that on the regular ones on the street. But you look at this robust, see the guide, very solid, heavy. Look at the ties. So I'll call this one abubuya, but then again, I can't be really contrary to what the company recommends. So this is what we call Kantanka Boafo. So the outlooks already gives you or serves you what you want to see. And look at the windscreen and then the shade you have here. So basically, you can work with this, not thinking about the weather condition, whether heat or whatever. The only thing that may affect is probably rain, but you can simply work with the wipers and then the shade and still move around the bush and whatever project you are working on with this.
About the screen over here. I mean, what is it? What is it? Come, I would want them to see. Can you? Is it possible you could start?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So this is electrically ignited vehicle, like mobility truck.
Okay.
So what you have here are displays of whatever is happening with the vehicle.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can have your panel board here reading your gear level. So you see currently it's at the neutral. You see the end there.
Is it touched?
Yeah, no, it's not touched.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You can see your fuel gauge displayed, your kilometer gauge display and all that. So this actually gives you a general overview of what is actually happening to the vehicle or the truck.
Someone might think that we are telling lies with the tipping. Kindly display that for me to see. Kindly display that. I would want you to display that for me.
So we can actually move. There's one there that has.
Okay.
Or you want to see it?
I just want to see. I just want the person to see. So it actually goes as high as this?
High as this. So you see, we have 3 channels. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The shaft we have there, it's in 3 channels. Okay. So the first one moves, that's the first layer, the second one is the third. So this is how high. And by the time it gets to this level, any other boots in there without.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am very proud to be a Ghanaian. Yes, of course, I'm very, very proud to be a Ghanaian. Now, ending the whole thing, please remember to call Kantanka Mobile on 0242-037-429. 0242-037-429. Also, you can hit my personal business line on 054-746-2581. This is going for a cool 65,000 Ghana cedis. We had Engineer Nyansaba Pesisafo, who explained everything about this vehicle, the building of the Kantanka Boafo for us. Please do not waste time. Call Kantanka Mobile, place your order. Production is ongoing. We are going to finish next month, April. Call us and come and get yours. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and also share this video for everyone to get hold of it. This is not just any car. This is our car. Thank you very much. Bye.